Hi, this is Karthik. Today I will teach you about setting up of the Facebook Audience Network. Facebook Audience Network is an alternate for the AdMob for showing ads in your Android app. Facebook Audience Network is an ad network and it is the best alternative for AdMob. It is very easy to integrate in your app. It supports both Android and iOS versions and gives better CPM than the AdMob. And requirements for your setting up this Facebook audience network in your Android app is you must have a Facebook account, basic knowledge in Android development, or you can follow this video carefully. You can integrate easily. Then your app must be live on Play Store or App Store. In our case, our app must be live in Android app. Okay, but for setting up and testing, there is no need for the app to be on Play Store. Okay, but if you want to earn real money, you must update your app from Play Store only or App Stores. Okay, let's start the method. Okay, uh, first we have to go to the developer.facebook.com. After that, you just go to login and login with your Facebook email ID and password. Okay, go to my apps and you will get an option to add a new app. Okay, enter your name here. You can enter any app name like sample Android. Okay, I'm adding, and you have to give your contact email address. Then just select create app ID. It will verify whether you are a human or a robot. Just solve the captcha and click on verify. Then click on submit. You can just skip this one. Then go to dashboard here. Just scroll down. You will see an option called audience network. Just click on setup. You will get an option to create a new business manager account. Just create it. In my case, I'm adding Karthik. Okay, after entering the details, click on next. Select your country here. Then enter your address. Enter your town. Your country again. Just fill the address here. Your postal code, your phone number, and your website address. Then click on submit. You will get an email address to confirm it, to verify. You just verify it. Okay, I got an email from the Facebook here. You just click on confirm now button. Okay, that's it. Okay, now in this page what you have to do is you have to give the name. I'm entering a sample Android. Okay, then click to go to monetization manager. Okay, now it will ask to select a platform, whether iOS, Android, web, or instant articles. So as we are speaking about Android right now, we will click on Android, just add button. It is asking whether your app is live or app is not live. Okay, if your app is live, just go to the Play Store, copy your app's URL like this and paste it here. Otherwise, you just select app is not live, then click on submit. Okay, now it will ask about to create your first placement. Okay, so there are options: native ad, native banner ad, interstitial banner, and medium rectangle. Okay, there are 1 2 3 and 4 5 types of ads here. Okay, we will go to banner first. Okay, and describe the steps that we need to follow to find that. So what the Facebook is asking here is, so if they want to review your app, they need to find this ad on your app, so we have to guide them where this ad will be placed. So for I'm giving that this ad is shown on home screen of my app as banner ad. Okay, then click on, or you can even choose a file to upload, like a video, or you can record the video of your app and you can show it here. Okay, then click on create a placement. Okay, after that you have to copy this one here and keep it aside. Okay, don't worry about integrating the SDK. I will show you in the next videos about integrating all these ad formats, that is banner, native banner, and interstitial ads. Okay, even you can get this placement again later also, so don't worry about this. After that you have to add a payment account. For that, select add payment account. Here I'm already having two accounts here. I can select any one. Okay, or you can select to create a new account and just you can add all your bank details and you can save. So for now I am selecting my existing accounts. Click on add, then click on done. Okay, just refresh it. Then it will ask to select your business account. Click on select. That's it. Okay, so we will close all these things and will start from the beginning. So from now, if you want to go to the audience network, what you have to do is just enter business.facebook.com and select your app from here. So we have created with the name Karthik, right? We have to select that one and we have to go to here and select this monetization manager. So you can see here in a property has created with the name sample on ride. Okay, so it is Facebook is already showing some notifications here. Integrate the audience network SDK into your Android app and start earning revenue. Submit your Play Store URL once your app is live to start earning revenue. Okay, so that this means you have to, if you want to earn money through Facebook audience network, your app must be in Play Store. Okay, So next what we have to do is we have to get IDs for that. So you just click on this property here. Okay, inside this you can see here manage property option, just click on it. Okay, so here you will get a you will get an option to create an ad space. Ad space is different with ad IDs. Okay, because app IDs are like banner ad, interstitial ad, native ad, like that. But ad space is a screen which you are showing these ads in your app. That is ad space. That means if you create an ad space with a home screen, okay, inside that you can create one banner, one native, one interstitial, and all these things will be shown in a single ad space, that is like home screen or any other fragment or any class, whatever it may be, but what they all belongs to one space, that is an ad space. And there is a rule for ad space in Facebook Audience Network, that is you can create only 4 ad spaces. Okay, by default first one is already created. This is an ad space here, first standard app ad space. It will be created while we are setting up the property, and you can create 3 more ad spaces here. Okay, so actually we have to plan the ad spaces as per our app design. Okay, so I am not going to create an ad space now, but in the future, in the next videos, when I am showing implementing about the banner ads and interstitial ads, I will explain about the creating an ad space based on our requirement. Okay, next thing is go to this first standard app ad space. Even you can rename it. You can here you can edit ad space and you can rename it home screen. Okay, this is an optional, you can name anything, this is not a, but if you name appropriately as per our requirement, we can remember where these ads are shown in our app. So if you refresh the page again, the name will be changed to home screen. Click on it and you will get an option here to create a placement. Okay, so this placement is nothing but a banner ad, interstitial, native, or native banner ad. Okay, just click on create. Already while creating this property, we have created a banner ad here. Okay, you can see here, and you can get the ID here. Okay, you can just click on copy, you can get this. Okay, next thing is create a placement. Here you have to give some name to your placement. Native ad. Okay, home screen, native ad home screen. Okay, and which ad space it should belong. For now we have only one ad space, and we also need to create placement for this one, so let it be. Okay, then we want a native ad, so I'm clicking, it is already selected. If not, you have to select this one. Next, description, it is optional. Okay, then if you want, you can describe with the ad space this placement where your shoe is. Okay, otherwise leave it. Then video autoplay, see in native ads there will be videos playing. Okay, for that, in which network it should play, that will only Wi-Fi plus 4G networks or 3, so it's best to select Wi-Fi 4G plus 3G networks. And you don't select this. Okay, low prices, you select accept any price and create a placement. That's it. So you will get ID here. Like this you have to create placements as per your need. Okay, so this is the ending of the video. Before going to the conclusion, just go to again monetization manager here. Just go to your property here, and you can see here your placements. Okay, if you want to get the ID, just go to manage placement and you can click here copy ID, or you can select manually, or you can click here to get copy the ID. Okay, you can see it has copied. Okay, but this is the end of the video. In the next video, I will show you how to implement Facebook Audience Network banner ad in your Android app. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends who are interested in Android development. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Karthik signing off.